Just entering the bee zone. As you can see, there is number 1 hive, which is perfectly normal and everybody is behaving properly. We move into number 2 hive, and what have we got? Bees are swarming. Look at the little devils. Look at them in the sky. They've just tried to swarm in a bush, but they seem to have moved back to the hive, so I don't think they know quite what's going on at the moment. But if we look around this side, we shall see what we shall see. Go through this hive 2 days ago. We could only find 1 queen cell. It was a few days off emerging, so we can only imagine that either we missed a cell or this one's decided to hatch and fly, but we shall see. No sign of a queen. Back in, be quiet and carry on life, but I get a feeling that the queen has gone, the new queen is making the case. Anyway, here we are. People get frightened of bees, but here am I, standing here filming this, naked of course, haha. But nobody's making any attempt to harm me in any way, and I'm just landing on the camera to see what's going on. I think they're quite happy with that. Quite happy. Leave them for a while and make up their mind where they want to be.